Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some rules of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is swathe. Swathe basically means to wrap or bind something tightly with cloth, rope or other material. ठीक है? तो बिल्कुल बांधने के सेंस में या फिर जो है जैसे पट्टी बांधते हैं ना बेसिकली उस सेंस में ये वर्ड यूज होता है. The nurse swathed the wound in clean bandages. Synonyms include wrap, bind, envelop, cover, encase, and swathe. And antonyms include uncover, unwrap, unveil, reveal, expose, and free. Next word is subsequently. The word subsequently means something that comes after or later in time. Example includes he missed the first class and subsequently failed the exam. ठीक है? तो ये होता है एक सीक्वेंस में जब कोई चीज हो रही होती है ना तो उसके लिए subsequently का word use होता है. Synonyms includes afterwards, later, next, following, subsequently, then. And antonyms includes previously, earlier, beforehand, formally, initially, and beforehand. Then it's struck. It is basically to hit or deal a blow to something or someone with a weapon or one's hand, or to suddenly come to a particular thought or realization. Example includes the lightning struck the tree, causing it to split into two. Synonyms of the struck include hit, bait, knock, pound, smack, and collide. And antonyms includes miss, avoid, dodge, overlook, ignore, and misunderstand. Next word is string. String basically refers to a thin piece of the cord or a fiber or similar material that is used for tying, binding or hanging. एक धागा या डोरी के लिए आप जो है ना string का word use कर सकते हैं. Synonyms examples includes she used a string to tie the balloons together. Synonyms includes cord, rope, twine, thread, line, strand. And antonyms includes unstring, untie, swollen, unfasten, unbind, and untie. Next word is sternly. Sternly means in a very serious, nonsense manner that conveys authority or determination. ठीक है बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से वाले और बारोब लहजे में अगर आप कोई चीज़ कहते हैं तो उसके लिए sternly का word जो है ना वो use होता है. ठीक है example includes the teacher spoke sternly to the students who were misbehaving in the classroom. Synonyms include strictly, firmly, resolutely, rigorously, severely, uncompromisingly, and antonyms include leniently, mildly, gently, softly, compassionately, and kindly. Next word is solemnly. Solemnly basically means in a formal or a dignified manner, often associated with a serious occasion. ठीक है बहुत formally अगर आप कोई बात कह रहे हो बहुत ही seriously कह रहे हो कि जैसे कोई official matter है तो उसके लिए solemnly होता है. For example, the priest spoke solemnly as he officiated the funeral ceremony. Solemnly basically is gravely, seriously, somberly, earnestly, soberly, reverently, and antonyms includes lightly, casually, flippantly, humorously, irrelevantly, and playfully. Succulent. Succulent means juicy and tender, often used to describe the fruits of vegetables. ठीक है जिसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा रस हो उसके लिए succulent का word use होता है. Succulent steak made his mouth watery. Synonyms includes juicy, lush, moist, fleshy, pulpy, and tasty. And antonyms includes dry, withered, leathery, tough, stringy, and tasteless. This is all for today. Thank you so much.